Welcome! It's Nana AC TV. Hello! We got to the store and we got so much plantain. Now, let me show you how to fry the perfect plantain. Fried plantain. Let's go. Take your time, relax, because we're going to fry the plantain in batches. We first peel, slice, let me take this opportunity to tell you something. Every single day I post short videos, and you know, with our short videos we do entertainment and vlogs. It's so interesting, like celebrity gist and gossips, you know. Don't forget, subscribe if you have not. Press like and share. Once you subscribe and you hit on the notification bell, whenever I post those gossips, you're gonna hear them. Ding ding! That's the bell. Let's go ahead. Get some water and some salt. We're going to mix to dilute and pour that on the plantains. Try this method and you will thank me later. You're going to just shake. Right, so you get all the mixed water. You know what I mean, right? That mixture on the plantains well. It's time to deep fry. You can air fry if you like. This method is deep frying. Add your vegetable oil. Once your oil is hot, we're gonna fry in batches, okay? Don't put everything in there. No, we're gonna fry in batches. You know why that suya is in front of me? Hey, if I don't put my suya meat in front of me, before I finish frying this plantain, hey, it will finish, oh. This house. Turn the other side and fry until golden brown. Look at that. You can let it brown some more. I like it like this, just like that. Let's fry the other batch. Food is ready. Do you see that? Let me know in the comment section if you want that recipe for that suya. Hey, it is sweet and kasa. It's sweet, delicious. And this is my bambara beans. You can pair the ripe plantain with beans as well. Look at that. You see that chunky shit up? Check in the description box for that recipe. You will love it. I love you all. Bye bye.